Hey Roblox players, welcome back to World Tach Zone 120. Today's video is going to be super exciting because I've got brand new secret codes for 99 nights in the forest. These codes will give you free rewards, exclusive items, and special boosts in the game. But here's the thing, these codes are limited time only. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, because somewhere in this video, there's a hidden secret code that only true fans will find. And hey, before we start, if you love Roblox and want to stay updated with the newest game codes, then hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. I upload the latest codes, gift rewards, and game updates every single day, so you never miss out on free stuff again. Now here's a little challenge for you. Watch the full video carefully and find the hidden code. Then, drop your Roblox username and in-game ID in the comments below. I'll be sending out special gifts to a few lucky players who find the code correctly. So don't skip even a second. You might miss your reward. Alright, are you ready? Let's jump straight into the newest and most powerful codes for 99 nights in the forest.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said
say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Say I'm dangerous, 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No, no. They left me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me.